One of the most important pieces of knowledge that I ever received from my mentors in my life was to simply say, know that you have the answers. They just need to kind of be brought out and cultivated. So my advice to parents who are really learning how to be a very solid member of their medical home team is to be prepared and to do the research of whatever the question is that you're looking for, but also know that you have this team of providers around you. And that to be an empowered parent is really about being a committed parent. And I know very few parents who are not dedicated and committed. It's really not a big leap to find parents who will just simply go to the ends of the earth for their children. The challenge is that the healthcare industry has never looked at their model of business as customer service oriented. It just hasn't been that way. And so now we're asking for the customers to step in and to give suggestions on quality improvement and product delivery and the way that we do business. And so what families can do is know that they have the right and permission and are encouraged to ask questions and to give comments around innovation. So one way that I think parents can really step it up in that way is to just know that the pediatrician is looking for that. They want that feedback. And to go in as a partner instead of as somebody who's only a consumer of service is really important. Because again, what parents need to understand is the difference between health care and health. And that while you're in that health care situation, that's a really important time to have a meaningful dialogue. But then stepping away from that is where your child's health is really going to be measured. So for parents to be empowered, for me, and a lot of the parents that I've worked with, I worked with my providers, whether it was a child care provider, the school, the special education, and my healthcare provider, and asked them to share with me anything that they could that would help me be a better ambassador for my daughter. And just to take on that role was an honor, and it still is today. But it was about really wanting to be the most informed partner that I could be because I see myself as a member of her medical home team.